The inaugural Litigation Funding Conference took place on April 28 in New York City. This was the first time that attorneys and third-party funding firms were placed directly in front of each other in an organised event. Over $12 billion in investment capital was represented at the conference. Partners from the largest law firms in North America and some of the largest law firms in the world were present. They represented nearly $10 billion of projected judgments. Over 64% of the attendants were top management and partners. Boaz Weinstein revealed unique business models that litigation finance has been used for, including the defense of a lawsuit. A panel of leading investors was moderated by Crane's New York business. It included managing directors from hedge funds and third-party funding firms. Peter McGreevy provided the 2017 State of the Industry. A deal-making event in a speed networking format introduced investors with litigators. Angela Pearsall explained how litigation finance works in the Asia-Pacific region. Roy Strom, reporter from The American Lawyer, led a panel from the attorney's perspective. Jonathan Carey provided methods of improving lawsuit outcomes.
I would recommend this event to, most particularly attorneys who are looking to learn more about commercial litigation finance and perhaps think about participating in that either individually at their firm level. I'd encourage claim owners who are potentially considering working with a litigation finance company to come to the event. And I'd also encourage members of the media, additional members of the media who are thinking about writing or exploring the various aspects of commercial litigation finance to come and learn more about our asset class, the growth of it, and I think what is going to be a very exciting asset class for years to come.
I'd recommend this event to any litigation funder that wants to meet with attorneys that are in this space, that are trying to cultivate client relationships and find people with meritorious claims. I'd recommend it to any of my colleagues in the legal profession who are dealing with those plaintiffs and those people with claims that don't have enough money to foot the bill themselves.
I'd recommend the event to people who wanted to get more involved in litigation finance and who had the wherewithal to do it. I'd recommend it to big law partners. I'd recommend it to people who are at funders. I'd recommend it to clients because a lot of times it's corporate counsel who could be in the position of bringing these cases to their outside counsel or who could benefit from having relationships from the funder so that they could lessen the cost of a big litigation.
I think the event is ideal for lawyers who are interested in learning about the space, investors who are curious to get a better hold on field as an investment proposition, and for funders it's also an opportunity to exchange views amongst themselves.
I think it's people that want to learn more about litigation funding would benefit from this event. I saw one gentleman who wanted to learn a little bit more about how these deals are structured, and he was able to talk to Mike Nichols and learn a little bit more about the way that he structures deals. A guy who's an experienced funder.
I would recommend this event to definitely attorneys for sure. I think there should be more attorneys here. I think there's more investment individuals that are here at the moment, but I think that this would be really helpful for attorneys to be present and seeing what's going on within this space and talking to the experts that are within the space.
I would recommend to investors who are interested in the space that preeminently. It's a good educational type format, and you get to meet a wide breadth of folks.
I would recommend the event either to friends in the funding world or to other attorneys who wanted to come.
We want to thank everyone for your support and we look forward to seeing you at our next event.